In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on Salesforce. Whether you're launching new offerings or simply updating your inventory, mastering this process can streamline your workflow and provide better insights into your sales operations. Let's jump right in and guide you through each step to ensure you have a clear understanding of how to efficiently add products. First, you'll want to start by accessing the Products tab. To do this, head over to the App Launcher. You might have noticed it as the icon with 9 dots located in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. Once you click on it, a search bar will appear. Type Products into the search field and select it from the results. This intuitive approach helps navigate through Salesforce's extensive functionalities swiftly. Now that you have the Products tab open, it's time to create a new product. Look for the New button on the page. It typically stands out, making it easy to spot. Clicking this will kick off the process of entering your product information. Next comes filling in all the necessary product details. Begin with the product name. It's essential that this name is clear and descriptive. This makes it easier for your team to quickly identify the product. Whether it's Enterprise Support Plan or Model X laptop, clarity is key. Following that, let's tackle the product code. While this step is optional, it's highly recommended you assign a unique identifier here. Think of it as similar to a barcode for your product, making it simpler to track and manage within your inventory system. Something like ES001 or LAPTMX could work well depending on your product. The next field you'll want to pay attention to is the active checkbox. It's important to remember, a product won't be available for sale until you mark it as active. Checking this box indicates the product's readiness for market, signaling to the entire sales team that it is indeed ready to be sold. Now, you'll come across the Product Family section. This is optional, but it can be quite beneficial for categorizing your product. Categorization can help keep your inventory systematically organized, whether it falls under software, hardware, or service. Another field you might consider filling out is the description. While not mandatory, adding any additional notes or details can be incredibly useful for reference, providing valuable insights or specifications that might be relevant to your sales or support teams. Once you've ensured all relevant fields are accurately filled out, it's time to finalize the process. Simply click the Save button to add your product to the system. And there you have it. Your new product is now part of your Salesforce inventory. This process, while straightforward, offers a robust system for keeping your product catalog organized and accessible. By following these steps, you're setting up your business for greater success through efficient product management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your Salesforce experience.